Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian currencies gain as risk sentiment improves on resumption of vaccine trial analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID BC662E914-2026 014 AM. Domestic industrial output contracted 10.4% in July. It was the fifth straight month of contraction in IIP. High-frequency indicators are painting a mixed picture. While the manufacturing sector seems to be getting back on its feet, with the demand for automobiles and steel seeing a significant pickup, the capacity utilization in the services sector continues to remain low. NBSP domestic AUG CPI data is due today. Headline CPI is again expected to come in close to 7%. Inflation is likely to print higher on account of supply-side constraints. Almost the entire amount of the 10Y benchmark security auctioned on Friday got devolved on primary dealers. The market seems to be testing the resolve of the central bank here. Despite the OMO twists and increase in HTM limits of banks, investors are still shying away from buying duration. Knowing that the supply is going to be heavy in H2, the market participants are in a wait-and-watch mode to see how much more the central bank would be willing to do. NBSP It is likely to be an interesting week on the global front as well. U.S. Federal Reserve policy is due Wednesday late evening and BO rate decision is due on Thursday. Market participants would want to hear more on average inflation targeting from the Fed chair. Staff economic projections and the dot plot too would be watched closely. NBSP The UK Parliament is to discuss and vote on the highly contentious Internal Market Bill today. The bill is seen as overriding aspects of the Northern Ireland Protocol of the Withdrawal Agreement Bill which was agreed to between the UK and the EU. If the bill goes through it would be negative for the sterling. It would dent the perception of UK at the global level as far as honouring international agreements is concerned. USD is likely to trade 73.25–73.55 range. For the week, the rupee is expected to trade a 72.80–73.80 range. The SEBI guideline that the multicap funds would have to invest 25% in small caps and mid-caps may cause broader markets to catch up with the blue chips. NBSP strategy exporters are advised to cover through risk reversal strategy. Importers are advised to hold now with a stop loss of 73.80. The 3M range for USD is 72.50–74.50 and the 6M range is 72.50–75.40. Download the full daily currency insight. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.